XRP, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, after we get this correction, we discuss about how deep it can go if it didn't move in our direction, and this is what we get. And as I explained earlier, that we want to see the breakout of the 1.97. All right, because with the breakout of this, then we're looking for 3 and 3.3. Okay, the only question is how sharp the price can break 1.97, whether we can get the deep correction before the breakout or after the breakout. Because if the price could break as a sharp move, then mostly we're looking for 3.3. Okay, then uh for me, I'm looking for buy. If you remember, since last year I mentioned, especially since earlier of this year, I mentioned for this year I'm looking for the XRP, and every time I highlight it can move very sharp as long as it start to move. This is what we get from somewhere around 50 to 1.7, and we had this line 41 cent quite a long time ago, and we mentioned this is the support. All right, now what's the next? We want to see the breakout of 1.97, somewhere around 2. Okay, and if we do move to lower time frame, if we move to forward chart, we see we have a divergence. Yes, technically we have a divergence, but this divergence at this point, the only thing is it can give us a correction similar to any of this. It doesn't mean the price is going to reverse. The only thing is we get the correction. The correction is good. Any correction can give us opportunity to look for buy similar to what we had here. And if you refer to my last analysis, I mentioned I'm looking at this one. Any opportunity for buy from here, I will take it. This is what we get. And whoever get the trade for buy from here, at least move their stop loss to break even. Okay. Then how high it can go, whether after the breakout of 1.97, we're looking for 3.3. Then after the breakout of the 3.3, how high it can go. Because some of the traders, they're talking about the 10, some 5, some of them they're mentioning about 20. For me, I'm expecting after the breakout of 3.3, as a short term, we can look for 5 to 6. Okay, and the best option, we will get somewhere around 10. More than that, in the long term, yes, but in the short term, I don't think so. All right. That's mean the best things we can get somewhere around 10 and 12. The best and best for this, the highest price. The possibility for the price to reach somewhere around 20 or 30, maybe next a few years, not now. Okay. That's mean the targets I'm looking for after the breakout of the 3.3, somewhere around the 5 to 6 as a normal, we really expect. And the best case somewhere around 10 and 12. Okay, this is where I'm going to start to look at to take out the profit. The first 5 and 6, this is the range. Maybe half of the trades I will take out in the 5 and 6. Then the rest I will keep it somewhere around 10 and 12 if we get. Mostly I can say 5 and 6 we will get like very short. But 10 and 12, it depends on the market. Okay. Anyway, how high it can go, we can conclude like this. And if we move to lower the 1 hour chart, right, at this point we want to see what we will get here. I don't see any trade setup, but if I see any opportunity, I will take the trade, and then we wait to see how sharp the price can break 1.97. And if we move to monthly chart, again we're looking to see the breakout of 1.97. Then we're looking for all-time high, which is somewhere around 3 and 3.3. It depends, some of the chart they're showing the 3, but mostly we have 3.3, similar to what we have here. And after the breakout of the all-time high, the targets I'm looking for 4.2, 5.4. That's mean the first one, that after the breakout, the first one I'm looking for is 4.2, 5.4, and 6. This is the targets I'm looking, and mostly for me, I'm looking around 5 or 6. Then from there, I will consider what's the next, whether we get the correction or whether we like the continuation. And the best case after the breakout of 5 or 6 is 10 to 12. Higher than that, I don't think so. We will get at this point, or at this move, the current market, maybe the 20 or 30 will be another 5 or 4 years. All right, again, we should know what's the targets for the traders. at which price they want to take out the trade. They want to at least make some profit. And this is what we're looking for at this point after the breakout of the all-time high 4.2, 5.4, and 6. This is the range I'm looking for. 5 to 6, 5.4 and 6. Okay, this is not the targets. I want to see the breakout of this. Okay, this is not the targets I'm looking to take with the profit, but this is where I'm going to make some profit or save some profit. Then the rest I will keep it for the whether the price can reach 10 and 12 or not. Okay, and again, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. Still we can look for trade, and right now based on 1 hour chart I'm looking at this. And then first things we want to see the breakout of 1.97. Anyway, we don't see any divergence here. The only thing is, as I mentioned, we see the divergence based on forward, and mostly we will get any correction similar to any of this. And even the smaller, maybe based on just a small correction flag based on 1 hour chart for the next move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.